On the edge. Let's see they want to feed, baby. Come on. Let's see if they want my lure. Hope they do. Come on. Try to be as quiet as possible. Man, there is a ton of bait along the edge. Ton of bait. Ooh. Got him. Told you. Oh. I knew there was one. And I literally just changed colors, y'all. I had the black, the morning glory color one, and I changed it to my pinky. My good old pinky, baby. Side casting redfish. Need to catch some keeper ones, man. I'm telling you guys. Once this fitting period, in the next hour or so, whoo, there you go, baby. I think in the next hour, hour and a half, the bite's gonna pick up, man. There you go. Catching it on my very own lure, baby. Let's go. BFS fishing, papa. Here we go. Let's keep going.